In Nigeria, there have been incessant problems of concrete construction failures and sometimes a total collapse of building structures almost in all parts of the country, particularly in the urban centers in the recent times portraying the building construction industry in bad light. According to report, it was said that Nigeria has the highest number of building collapses in Africa, which calls for a radical response from the federal and state government. Building collapses have recently escalated to 221 cases recorded in the country in over 4 decades. And this calls for urgent and effective remedial measures.
All the materials that we are using for concrete, they should all be tested regularly. People must pay attention to water because not all the water you get are clean enough to be used. For example, if a structural engineer designs a house with C25, then you now use what, as I explained, bad water. It will have reduced the strength. That is in real life now. Then when you use too much water, it reduces the strength further. At the end of the day, what happens? You will say it's a structural error.
We should be very careful when we are building. Consult the consultants. Don't just do it by yourself that you have the knowledge. Let the consultants in the various fields, apart from the structural engineers, be involved so that you'd have a structure and a building that will last for years to come.
However, the performance of concrete in buildings in recent times has been a great concern to practitioners and other stakeholders in the industry in Nigeria. Results of investigations of many building collapses and other failures in the country have been traced to poor quality concrete and concrete materials which affect the strength and durability of properties.
Most important thing that we need to do as professionals is to do the right thing. Concrete is key in the construction industry, and therefore getting it right is important. The proportioning of the components is very, very key to getting concrete of good strength that will make the structure to be stable.
Stakeholders said extensive research should be conducted to investigate the remote causes of building collapse in order to arrest this ugly trend.
We want to encourage them that they should also learn how to really deal with concrete so that they will be able to benefit the society a lot. For all structures, they sit on foundation. You have natural foundation, which is the ground. Everybody, you must test the ground on which you are putting your structure, even if it is foundation, even if it is a bungalow. Bungalow do sink.
They emphasized that serious awareness and retraining of construction workers are needed to tackle the challenge and the need for closer collaboration between structural engineers and architects to ensure the quality control measures on the materials of construction and personnel are skillfully and tactfully used. Bolaji Samson, OGTV News.